So did you hear about overtype? It's this ultra-lightweight markdown editor that uses an invisible textarea overlay. How cool is that?
Wait, an invisible textarea. That sounds wild. How does that even work? I mean, like visually.
Right, it overlays a plain textarea on top of a styled preview. You type in the textarea and it shows all the formatting below. Pretty clever.
But I wonder if that could lead to any confusion. What if someone accidentally clicks on the preview instead?
Good point. They mention you need to use Command or Control to click links. That way you don't mess up the editing.
Smart, still. It sounds like a challenge for users, especially if they're used to traditional editors.
Totally, it's designed for those who want a quick and nimble markdown environment, but it does require a bit of adjustment.
Speaking of quick, the size is only about 82 KB minified. That's like tiny compared to others.
Exactly, and it's dependency-free too. You just drop in a single file and boom, you're ready to go.
That makes it super accessible for developers. But what about the features? Does it have everything?
It offers basic markdown functionality and an optional toolbar for formatting, but no advanced features like images or tables.
Oh, that could be limiting. Imagine needing to add images but being stuck.
Exactly, but they emphasize that it's focused on fast, clean editing without the bloat.
Right, it's like they're saying, let's strip it down to essentials. But could that frustrate some users?
Definitely a possibility. The lack of advanced features might push some users to look elsewhere.
So it's almost like it's designed for minimalists, just pure markdown enthusiasts.
Exactly, and the fact that it has responsive design means it's great for mobile too.
That's a real bonus. You mentioned it recovers from existing DOM. How does that work?
So when you use it on platforms that keep DOM states, it checks and recovers your content even after page reloads.
Wow, nice touch. That's pretty neat for users who want seamless experiences.
For sure, but it does require everything to be in monospace font, which could be a design limitation.
Yeah, it makes sense to keep alignment, but many users love styling their fonts.
True, but they opted for this approach to maintain perfect alignment between the textarea and the preview.
Which is a valid trade-off. So in summary, it's lightweight, clean, but quite basic.
Exactly, it's great if you want speed and simplicity, but limits like images could be drawbacks.
And with no rich plugin ecosystem, it might not satisfy users who want complexity.
Right, people looking for enterprise-level features might need to look elsewhere.
Still, there's a niche audience for this kind of minimalism. I can see some loving it.
Absolutely, it's all about knowing your target user. They value speed and essential functionality.
This reminds me of the ongoing debate between simplicity and feature richness in tools and apps.
Totally, and it's vital for developers to identify who their primary audience is for these decisions.
Exactly. Balancing user needs with feature set is an art. Could overtype be the future of simple markdown editing?
Could be, if they expand features without losing their unique touch, they might just carve out a solid spot.
And what's fascinating is how many users now seek lightweight solutions in a sea of complexity.
Absolutely, but imagine if they could integrate just a few more features without overwhelming users.
That would be interesting. A blend of simplicity with occasional powerful features. They'd hit a sweet spot.
Exactly, it'd be a neat evolution, so it sounds like we're both on board with a more flexible approach.
For sure, merging user feedback into design could really help. Makes me wonder where it goes from here.
Right, the landscape is always changing. Who knows what the next big markdown tool will look like?
The excitement of seeing these innovations unfold, it just keeps me curious.
Same here, and it's conversations like this that keep those ideas buzzing.
Absolutely. Let's keep exploring these innovations together.